Welcome to the first day of my final year. After this year, I would be able to finally call myself a physiotherapist. And obviously, I thought of sharing this day with you all, and I hope you all enjoy it. Good morning, you guys. Today is the first day of my final year of college. I study physiotherapy, if anybody doesn't know. But yeah, I feel so proud that I came this far, and yeah, the time went so fast. I didn't even realize how 3 years have already gone. Today, I have clinical postings from 10 to 1 p.m., and after that, we will have lectures, obviously. I am really excited for the clinical posting part because now we can officially treat patients. And yeah, other than that, everything is going to be the same as previous year. We have to study and do a lot of assignments and stuff. I'm just gonna start my day and obviously take you guys along with me. Right now, let's just go have some breakfast because I am really hungry. Let's go. Okay, breakfast is done, and right now I'm gonna start getting ready because it's already 9:30 and I don't want to be late on my first day itself. So yeah, let's choose an outfit first. Okay, so this is going to be my outfit for today. I ironed it yesterday. Obviously first day की excitement, इसके बाद ना मुझे इतना time मिलने वाला है and neither am I going to do so much of effort. So yeah, let's do a quick transition. Let's quickly do some skincare because I am getting late as usual. In the clinical postings, I was posted in the physiotherapy OPD and I got to see a bunch of patients and I felt so overwhelmed. I saw cases of basic back pain, trapezitis, osteoarthritis, stroke, ACL tear, and whatnot. Even the rarest cases too. I met this really cute patient named Karthik, a 9-year-old boy, and he has this condition called DMD, which is a type of muscular dystrophy. It is a genetic condition where there is severe muscle weakness and no cure for this. We can only maintain the patient's condition by physiotherapy, and I got to assess him. I felt so proud that I remembered all the clinical features of this condition and was able to identify them. If anybody knows the full form of DMD, then let me know in the comment section. All the medicos, please comment down below. Okay guys, I got back from the lunch and I had to tie my hair back because इतनी ज़्यादा धूप है यहाँ पे. It's just like so hot and the summers are killing me like literally. आज का lunch भी इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था, but yeah, I had a great experience in the clinical postings, and yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys about that later. But abhi I'm going back to college because we have lectures to attend, and let's see, I'm so sweating here. Oh my god! Like come on, I came to the hostel because lunch itna अच्छा नहीं था and I wanted to grab something to eat from my collection of snacks. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. One more thing, let me show you. सो ये हमने थर्ड ईयर के यूटी एग्ज़ाम्स के पहले चिपकाया था, मिशन ऑल क्लियर, मीनिंग दैट मी एंड माई रूममेट्स ऑब्वियसली वांटेड टू क्लियर अवर थर्ड ईयर एंड नाउ इट्स फाइनली डन. Me and my roommates have passed our third year with good marks. So yeah, let's just tear this one out quickly. After the lunch from 2 to 5, we had 3 lectures. One was of neuro, where our teacher just taught us about stroke and its physiotherapy management, and another one was of cardio, where our teacher just revised third year's part, and one last lecture was off क्योंकि कोई lecture लेने आया ही नहीं. When I came back to hostel, I was so hungry, and due to summers, I skipped my love, that is chai and biscuit, and instead that me and my roommate ate a watermelon and then I went to take a quick nap.
2 hours later.
Okay, guys, hi again. I just woke up from my nap a while ago, which lasted for 2 hours straight. I was so tired after the college that I just wanted to sleep. Today was a very hectic day because in the OPD I was standing for 3 hours straight, and uske baad lectures bhi the. So yeah, all my energy was like drained almost. Also, I forgot to talk to you guys about this one product that I used today for the first time, and I thought that it is a really great product, so I should share this with you guys. Usually on my periods, I like to use a menstrual cup, but since today I had to stay in the college for so long that I was not comfortable wearing a menstrual cup throughout the day. So I used this period panty from this brand called Ever Eve, and it was really great. I mean, for those days when you're going out and you want that extra coverage, I think this product is a must have, and it is really good, very stretchable and absorbs everything and keeps everything in place. There are no chances of staining your clothes and stuff. So I thought this product was worth sharing with you guys, and yeah, that's just about it. And अभी आई एम जस्ट गोना गो टू मेस क्योंकि इट्स डिनर टाइम राइट नाउ, एंड या लेट्स जस्ट गो. आई थिंक आज पाव भाजी है. इट्स माई फेवरेट, बट मेस वाली नहीं, बट स्टिल वी कैन मैनेज. सो लेट्स जस्ट गो हैव डिनर राइट नाउ. We have Chinese today. After dinner, I went to reading room because this year I wanted to start studying from the beginning itself. क्योंकि इस साल I want to study seriously and learn as much as I can because it's the last year. इसके बाद there isn't another year of this degree. So yeah, I studied stroke, which was earlier taught in the class. I read about its physiotherapy management. At 11 p.m. I came back to the hostel and straight away went to sleep, and obviously forgot to end this vlog. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye. See you next time.